Our only weapon is the science and the truth. We need more people to learn science and the truth and to use them as a leverage for change. We actually have a sort of an Amazon and the Carpathians. There is no other place in the whole Europe with that many species of flora and fauna in a single spot. It's absolutely amazing. Because the wood from Romania is so precious, we have to fight very powerful and dangerous organized crime structures operating globally. My life was at stake many times when I was recognized and attacked out of the blue. Every time something new happens, we are changing and adapting the protocols to higher and higher security. One thing is for sure, we won't stop doing what we do. Clear cuts are the most evil thing that we can do to forests. The first time I encountered a large clear cut where I had a shock and I just couldn't breathe was a bit more than 20 years ago in a very beloved national park of Romania, and the mountain has been completely undressed of forests. There was so much cutting in just 20 years that the last forest to cut right now is the last primary and old-growth forests. That's what we are fighting to stop. I have started Agent Green with the intention to be able to do more for forests. We convinced the government to create the national catalog of virgin and quasi-virgin forests. And in that catalog, we already have now 70,000 hectares of forests. Earlier this year, we achieved a ban on clear cuts in European protected areas within Romania, which I think, in the context of climate change, is the biggest victory we could achieve. We have entire mountains, tens of thousands of hectares, strictly protected because of our investigations, because of our protests, because of our litigation, because of our scientific work. And this is something that we'll give to the next generation. Join us in defending the planet. Join Generation Restoration.